everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Pixie again, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Pixie. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you have to be doing when you're watching this. Open it fabulously and safely and taking care of yourself and your loved ones. And it's here. It's here. It's probably one of my favorite things to receive in the mail. Well, not really. I like everything I receive in the mail, but I get really excited about my my Hempcrate. So this is February's box. Hempcrate is $50 a month, so you get hemp and CBD products, and I pretty much like everything. I mean, there's a few items I don't really like getting, like I have a lot of sleepy tinctures, but usually there's coupons in here, and yeah, we'll get right into it. If you want to know more information, I will leave Hempcrate's website down below, and yeah, I just want to make this a quick video, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this and turn down everything because I'm prepared. Yeah, so this is the February box. Mine recently renewed, so I think I did the 6 month. I had to have done the 6 month because it wasn't a full year. So it comes like this. If this is your first time watching one of these videos, one of these unboxings, right on top I see get 20% off with code Hempcrate, and it's usually always, if you get these, the products are in the box. And then this one is this one. This one is this one. Wow, this is definitely 2 a.m. rambles. And it's 20% off using the code Hempcrate. That code is Hempcrate Co. So be sure to screenshot those or rewind if you want to use them. Tissue paper. So the first thing I see are Plain Jane Calm CBD gummies. Please don't argue with me today, camera. And it doesn't have a flavor. It just says Calm CBD gummies. 10 gummies. This is dietary supplement, but I'm not sure how accurate that is because, you know, these are not FDA approved. I am not sponsored. I buy these with my own money. And broad spectrum hemp derived CBD, glucose syrup, sucrose, gelatin, water, citric acid, coloring, natural flavored, and MCT oil. And 5 calories per serving, and oh, there's the flavor. It says mixed berry, 1 per serving, and how many milligrams is it? CBD milligram. 1 piece is 25 milligrams, so that's not bad. That'd be a good like daily tincture. I'll try these and probably review them. And the next thing I see is You Feel Better Faster Drink Mix. Your Feel Better Faster Drink Mix. Super Lemon Dietary Supplement, 25 milligrams CBD per packet, per serving, 20 packets. So I'm guessing you add this to water, like a flavor thing. Yeah, pour 1 packet into an empty cup, add 8 ounces of cold water, and stir fully. Let's see. This is... Where's the milligrams? Why is it so hard to find the milligrams? Oh my goodness. 25 milligrams per serving. So there's 20 of these. Let's open her up. I might give some of these in little care packages. I probably won't use all of these. I'll probably review these as well. I have a product review. There's fur everywhere. Haven't even opened the box and there's already fur on it. Cat life. Yeah, Super Lemon. It's just a single packet. So these are like little flavor packets. So I probably won't go through all these. There's 20 single serve packets. I will put these in little goodie bags. And then, yay, I got a bath bomb. I'm so excited. CBD MD bath bomb, 100 milligrams. Resist lavender. I love lavender stuff so much. And yeah, it's a bath bomb. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it's just a signature collection with this little fold out thingy. It has the different scents. You could have gotten Rise, Eucalyptus, Rejuvenate, Eucalyptus, Romance, which I think I got before, which is frankincense, Restore is a blend, and Relax is lavender. So, yay, we love some bath bombs. Oh, it smells so good. Smell-o-vision, where are you? So, we'll review that. Actually use it and then review it. And let's see. I've gotten these before and I haven't used them in the first one I got, and they're kind of slimy. Did one leak? It's like, yeah, I feel like this one leaked. But they're Aces Joint Repair, 200 milligrams CBD per packet. You rub them into your muscles like after a workout. They're mentholated rubs. So I'm going to try one after one of my workouts and review those as well. But because I have some of these already, I'll throw those in some little goodie bags eventually, or envelopes. And the tincture, which is supposed to pay for the box, I will list prices as I go through this box. It's Relevium original full spectrum CBD oil, 1000 milligrams CBD, mountain grown CO extracted, 100% organic oil. I have words. And 100% non-GMO. So that's the tincture. And we shall see if this paid for the box. It usually does. That's basically like the promise of the subscription, is every month the tincture is supposed to pay for it. Or more, because sometimes the boxes end up being more than... So yeah, that was a really quick video, but I wanted to get this out of the way. Do you get CBD? Do you use CBD? Do you get the Hempcrate? Let me know what you thought of this month's box. And if you're new to the box, feel free to ask me any questions down below or watch the old videos I have of unboxings. But yeah, it seems like a pretty small box this month, but maybe like some of the products are worth more. So we shall see. Like I said, I'll leave all the prices as I went through the video. And yeah, again, not sponsored, but I like receiving it, so I hope you're wearing whatever you want. I hope you're doing whatever makes you happy, because that's the whole point of this channel. And if it's not hurting anybody else, don't worry about it if it offends somebody, because it doesn't matter. If they're losing sleep on it, it's not your problem. And I will talk to you very, very soon. See you in the next one. Love you, bye. Awkward Pixie out. Love you, bye. Awkward, bye. Love you, bye.